And meanwhile, 250 pairs also availed of a free mass wedding in Parañaque City. The full report from Mara Perez.
Mass weddings have become a tradition in the country, especially upon the arrival of Valentine's Day, when couples are given the chance to be married for free. This year, more than 250 pairs were married in Parañaque. The said program aims to give value and to bind families, in the belief that nothing could topple the sacrament of matrimony.
Madami po dito, matagal na po sila nagsasama at may mga anak, pero hindi po nila pakasal. Kaya napaka-importante po para sa amin na kami po ang magbigay noon na libre.
Beth and Jeff feel utmost joy now that they are finally married after living together for 4 years. The newlyweds said that their wedding is a dream come true thanks to the mass wedding.
Masaya po. Siyempre, mag-asawa na kami dalawa.
Masaya naman po.
As partners for 11 years, Marvin and Janet shared that budget and financial matters were their main dilemma why it took so long for them to get married.
Malaki po yung natipid namin. Masaya po. Masaya po.
For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.